Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Microsoft Flight Simulator on your computer. First, let's get you set up. You'll need a capable PC, ideally with at least 16 gigabytes of RAM and a dedicated graphics card. The game itself requires over 100 gigabytes of storage, so plan accordingly. While a keyboard and mouse work, a flight stick or gamepad significantly enhances the experience, offering more intuitive control over your aircraft. Now, let's dive into the basic controls. You'll use your chosen input device to manage pitch, roll, and yaw, which are fundamental to aircraft movement. The throttle controls your speed. Pay close attention to your cockpit instruments and the heads-up display for vital information like altitude, airspeed, and heading. Start with simpler aircraft and practice basic maneuvers, especially takeoffs and landings, to gain confidence in the virtual skies. Before you take to the skies, it's time to plan your journey. Microsoft Flight Simulator offers a vast selection of aircraft, from nimble Cessnas to massive Boeing 747s. Use the intuitive world map to pick your starting point and destination, then chart your course. You can also customize the weather and time of day, allowing you to experience everything from a clear morning flight to a stormy night landing, adding incredible realism. To truly elevate your Microsoft Flight Simulator experience, consider enhancing your setup. Advanced peripherals like rudder pedals or a full flight yoke can provide unparalleled realism and control. Don't forget to explore the in-game marketplace, which offers a wealth of community-created content, including new aircraft, detailed airports, and stunning scenery. Finally, connect with the vibrant online community to fly alongside others and even engage in virtual air traffic control for a truly dynamic experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.